So rounding to the 96 to the nearest 10, it's much the same as rounding to the nearest whole number, but because we're rounding to the nearest 10, we're going to look at our tens column. Our tens column is here, which is a 9, so really this represents 90. So the smallest value that we could round this 96 to might be 90. So always start with the number that you've already been given. Now, because we're going to the nearest 10, we're going to count up in 10. So 90 plus another 10 is going to give us 100. So 96 will either round down to 90 or round up to 100. And we just need to decide whether 96 is closer to this or this. The easiest way to do that is find your midpoint. Now our halfway between 90 and 100 is 95. One of the best ways to find a midpoint is actually to add each end up, so 90 and 100 added, which gives us 190. If you then divide that by 2, that will give you your midpoint, which is 95. So I know that my midpoint, as I just said, is 95, but the number we're working with is actually 96. So 96 would sit here. So it's actually going to round up to 100 because 96 is closer to 100 than it is to 90. So 96 will round to 100.